Feathers start as a byproduct of food production. Collected, not wasted. Volume is the enemy. Compression wins. Then it travels, dense, quiet, and messy inside. This is where raw becomes safe. Every batch is checked before it touched the line.
Not everything makes it through.
Airflow is a tool and a filter. Before washing, it's not soft, it's just biological material. First pass. Remove what never belonged. Even a staple can become a hazard later. Air loosens what water will later remove. Heat and water start dissolving oils. Measured chemistry. Too little fails. Too much lingers. Agitation lifts dirt without shredding the clusters. Rinse is where clean is earned. Remove water fast before it breeds anything. Drying is where weight disappears. Hot air dries and fluffs at the same time. A controlled heat hold reduces microbial load. Sorting works only when temperature and humidity behave. Down rides the air. Feathers fall through it.
This is the softest fraction, what premium pillows buy more of.
Feathers add structure, support that lasts. Not one product, many grades. The line cleans its own air. Maintenance is part of sanitation. Soft isn't a feeling here, it's a test. Clean means neutral, no damp smell, no residue. Finished fill waits in clean confinement. The shell is the barrier between you and the fill. Tight weave helps stop feather poke through. Accuracy here becomes symmetry later. That sidewall creates height, hotel style. Strong seams, dense stitches.
Cleanliness is built one small action at a time.
Now the inside becomes the outside you'll touch. Anything loose inside becomes a future annoyance. Before fill, the shell must prove itself. Comfort is also a number, grams. Fast fill, controlled dust. Once sealed, the fill belongs to that shell. Distribution is comfort, no lumps allowed.
If it sheds here, it sheds at home.
Final safety check, nothing hidden. Random audits keep the whole run honest. To ship softness, you have to crush it first. Sealed clean for the trip.
Packaging is also protection engineering.
From here, it disappears into supply chains. Next stop, homes, hotels, and sleep.
Soft isn't simple. It's cleaned, sorted, tested, then sealed into quiet.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.